welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about life lessons. So I want you to think about what these things are. Remember to have some ideas ready before our class. Great! Now, I need you to please go to your student book page 32. Read the text over there and think about what the professor could have said. Why do you think he said that? Please write down your idea before our class so we can all share. Great, we're going to share this during our class and we're going to hear what he actually said. Let's continue. Now, I need you to please continue working on page 32. What we're going to do is to find verbs that are followed by these nouns. A class, your work, a grade, your hand, a test, and a question. For example, let's find two verbs that are followed by a class. You should have found struggle with a class and miss a class. Now pause the video and work on the rest, please. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and check. So we have fall behind on your work and catch up on your work. Count toward a grade and affect a grade. Raise your hand. Turn in a test and finish a test. Leave a question blank, finish a question, and complete a question. Did you find the same? Excellent. Now, some of these words you might know what they mean, but if you don't know, please write them down so we can all discuss during class. Great, let's go ahead and continue. Now, let's go to page 39, exercise A. Here, we're going to complete the definitions with the correct form of the expressions in the box. For example, number 1 says, if you raise your hand, you put it on the air to get someone's attention. For example, when you want to ask a question in class. Number 2, if you cannot do all the things you're supposed to do on time. What do you think the answer is? That's right, if you fall behind on your work. Now pause the video and work on the rest, please. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Number 3, if you leave a question blank, you don't write an answer to it. 4, if tests or assignments count toward your final grade, they are part of your final score. 5, if assignments affect your grade, they can make a difference to your grade. And finally, if you catch up on your work, you do all the work on your desk that you had to do or that is late. Did you get it correct? Awesome. Now, let's change exercise. We're going to bold with the expressions that have a similar meaning. Video while you work on this. Okay, let's go ahead and check. So, number 1, it's a time test. You have to finish it in 20 minutes. That means that I need to D. Complete the questions. 2. I get really stressed out when I'm late with my work or when I fall behind on my work. A. 3. When I get a cold, I usually don't go to a lot of classes or I miss a lot of classes. 4. I really have a difficult time with math. It has been a problem since high school. Here, I struggle with math. B. 5. If I cannot answer a question on an exam, I usually don't write anything at first, and then I come back to it later. I leave in blank. And 6. I've been going out too much, and it's really starting to have a negative impact on my schoolwork. Here, we're supposed to use E. Affect my grades. Did you have the same? Excellent. Now, for your homework, you're going to be working on exercise B. Here, you just need to complete the conversation with the verbs in the box. Remember that you need to use each verb only once. Pause the video while you work on this. Great, we're going to check during our class. I will see you then. Bye-bye!